You are going to love the 2018 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.